Now, any of these exercises can be practiced individually or as a complete set. Working with a complete set, it becomes a progressive exercise and builds up to more movement in different parts of the body. In this one, we try and paint a rainbow across the sky. We imagine an arc from side to side. If we can, we go up overhead, but if not, we can just go from side to side. Everyone knows a rainbow, from horizon to horizon. Breathe in the middle and relax out to the side. So now we want to go to stage 2. As we lift the foot, push it out, we then try and lift the leg off the chair. If you can just increase that space underneath there, then relax and put it back down again. Extend the leg out, and if you can lift it off the chair, hold it up a little bit there, and then let it rest back down again. Stage 3, we try to go just a little bit further. Extend the foot out.